Hi everyone, this is Anna, one of the Digital Innovation Specialists at Mid-Continent Public Library. Today we are going to look at how to use a smartphone as a Wi-Fi hotspot for another device. To do this, I am going to be using two devices, an iPhone to act as the hotspot and an iPad to receive the connection. So if your phone is equipped to be used as a hotspot, you're going to enable that from your settings app. Since I'm on an iPhone, I'm going to tap the gear icon here to get to my settings. Next, I do have a personal hotspot option in the first section of my settings, just below the cellular options. So I'll tap personal hotspot to see those options. Then I'm going to tap on the toggle button next to allow others to join to turn it on. Note there is a Wi-Fi password here, and I will use this on the other device to connect to this hotspot. The password stops just anyone from being able to connect to my device and use my data or access my connection. When the hotspot is turned on, instructions for connecting to another device do appear below the password on this page. So I can connect via Wi-Fi for mobile devices, tablets, and computers, or I can use Bluetooth or a USB cable to connect the hotspot to a computer. So now that I have the hotspot enabled on my phone, I'm going to access the settings app on my other device. So since this iPad does not have a cellular plan attached to it, I do not see a hotspot option. Instead, I am going to tap on the Wi-Fi option in my settings menu, and then I'm going to look at the list of available networks. The one that I want is Mary's iPhone, so when I find that in the list, I will tap to select it. And now I need to enter that password from the hotspot settings on my phone. So I'll type that password in, and then I will tap join in the upper right corner of this pop-up box. So now I am connected, and I should be able to access the internet or check email or whatever it is that I need to do on my iPad device. I can also use this hotspot with my computer if I need to do that. So I would take the same steps to turn on the hotspot on the phone, and then on my computer, again, I'm going to open up Wi-Fi settings, which I can find either through the start menu and then my settings options, or from the notification area that is in the lower right corner of my screen in my taskbar. And when I have those Wi-Fi settings open, I again should have a list of available networks, and I'm going to find Mary's iPhone in that list. And then just like the other, I would need to put in the password, and that gets me connected. I would suggest that when you're finished using the connection, you do go back to your settings on the phone and disconnect it, so toggle it off. That way you know that you're not accidentally using up your cellular data when you think you're connected to regular Wi-Fi on your computer or tablet device. Android devices do also have this option, so Android phones, you would just swipe down to get to your quick access menu. Hotspot should be one of the options. So you would tap that to turn that on, and then just like with the iPhone, you would have a password that you would then need to use on the device that's being connected in order to use that phone as a hotspot. So that is how you use a phone as a hotspot. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you let us know by following our MCPL 360 page on Facebook and our MCPL MO channel on YouTube. We premiere new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. And if you missed the live event, you can always find all of our videos on YouTube on one of our many technology-related playlists on our YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you again next time.